Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be sharing a sleeping platform that I helped my sister build for her 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This isn't meant to be a how-to video, just thought I'd share what we built, thought some of you might find it interesting, and maybe give you some ideas. Enjoy the video. So we started out by building a couple of rectangles out of 2x3s. The one for the front of the sleeping platform is a little bit shorter than the one for the back because the seat angles up that it's going to sit on top of. So to keep it level, the front legs had to be shorter. Then we connected these rectangles with a couple of 2x3s, the length of the sleeping platform. After my nephew had a little bit of trouble here getting the clamps loose, he finally got it and we were able to take what we have so far over to the Jeep and test fit it. Now here in this photo you can see the leg supports for the slide out portion, and in this little clip I'm adding some braces to those leg supports. Now in these next couple of clips, you get to see my sister and my nephew and myself start to put the slats on. We put these equally spaced using some scrap wood as a spacer, and every other one is connected to the main base and then to the slide out. Now as you can see here, we're using a countersink bit to drill the pilot holes and countersink the screw heads. This way the screw heads won't stick up above the slats and won't catch on any of her clothes or mattress pad that she happens to put on top of it. And finally, we spent some time sanding all the edges down, just kind of rounding them over and smoothing them out. Make sure that we don't have any splinters sticking up to catch onto her clothes or their skin or anything else that they happen to put on top of the platform. Okay guys, that's it. That's the finished product. You can see here she can collapse it and still put up one of her back seats and still have some space underneath to put their camping gear and equipment. Gives them a nice platform to sleep on once they throw a mattress topper on top of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like, and share. Any of those things you do will help me out. Until next time, thanks for watching.